Hello rail fans, welcome to Railwong. Railway plays a major role in promoting tourism for the country. Indian Railways having a very widespread network connects a large number of tourist locations throughout the country. Therefore, it is great to know that the railways itself possess two UNESCO World Heritage Sites. One is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and second one is Mountain Railways of India. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, formerly Victoria Terminus, is a railway station in India's financial capital city of Mumbai. The building is located in southern part of the city. It is magnificent and represents economic wealth of the country. Construction of the building started in 1878 and took 10 years for completion, highest for any building in city of that era. The station building was designed by F. W. Stevens and is spread across 2.85 hectares of land. Structure is Victorian style building and displays Italian Gothic architecture. The skyline turrets, pointed arches and eccentric ground plan are influenced by Indian classical architecture. The building is crowned by a high central dome which is octagonal rib structure on which there is a statue of progress. The station stands as an excellent example of civil engineering and architecture. The station building was first railway station to be constructed in India and is one of the most prominent buildings from 19th century. The station is important for both suburban trains in Mumbai metropolis and for long distance trains. Due to such responsibility of connecting every part of country to the financial capital and connecting various parts of city to the area having one of the most prominent office buildings of the world. It is third busiest in India with over 3 million commuters daily. The station is headquarters of Central Railway Zone. It has 18 platforms in total, out of which 1 to 7 for suburban trains and 8 to 18 for long distance trains. Premium trains like Duronto, Tejas, Rajdhani serve from 18 platform. The station is equipped with air-conditioned dormitories. Premises of the building are closed for the public, but there are plans to convert it into a world-class museum for boosting the tourism. Tourists from all over the world visit this station to capture fascinating looks of the magnificent building. And second one is Mountain Railways of India. Mountain Railways of India are one of the sightful things on the planet. Operating at such heights and unusual terrains, the precise engineering used at that time. There are three such type of railways in India: Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Kalka Shimla Line, Nilgiri Hills Railway. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railways operate in West Bengal state of India, constructed in 1881. It has a route length of 88 kilometers. It starts at an elevation of 100 meters at Siliguri and ends journey at elevation of 2300 meters in Darjeeling, achieving highest elevation of 2300 meters at Ghum station. The train on this route runs on a single 2-feet gauge, and the intelligent planning of railway includes 6 Z reverses and 3 reverse loops to tackle the gradient. The system set an example of railway engineering for the world. It is recognized UNESCO World Heritage Sites from 1999. Constructed in 1908, Nilgiri Mountain Railway is located in the state of Tamil Nadu and runs through Nilgiri Hills. It is 46 kilometers in length and has a meter gauge track. It connects town of Mettupalayam to the hill station Ooty at elevation of 2240 meters. It uses ABT rack system, the only one in India. There are 108 curves, 150 bridges and 16 tunnels on the route. Journey takes around 4.8 hours ascending and 3.6 hours descending. It was added to UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 2005. The Kalka Shimla line is part of the mountain railways operating in Himalayas. Construction was complete in 1903 as it was serving Shimla, the summer capital of British Raj. The railway uses 2.5 feet gauge and runs from Kalka to Shimla at an elevation for 2169 meters on foothills of Himalayas. The route has 20 stations, 103 tunnels, 912 curves and 969 bridges. The train on this route has Vistadome coaches. It was noted in the list of World Heritage Sites in 2008. Above 3 are one of the most mesmerizing rail routes on earth, proving the advanced engineering of that time without forgetting the nature is above us. Thanks for watching.